I took out some ground beef. This is about a pound, and I'm just going to our faithful, burger patties. Pretty much like a burger, but I'm going to put it in the skillet and let it saute, okay? And this is all we're having. This is our meat. And then I'm going to pick some asparagus and some mashed potatoes. So that's that. I thought my camera was on when I started this. I already seasoned my meat, and I used this Uncle Dave's seasoning. And I used a barbecue seasoning flavor. And then I just added a little bit of garlic powder. I believe I did add some onion powder. And then my black pepper. That's all I did, okay? And I mixed this up. I cannot believe it. I was like, am I filming? It's not even on. I should have looked at that light. But this is all I'm doing, guys. And I'm just going to pat this out. I have my skillet over here preheating. I have some olive oil in the skillet. And we're just going to pat these babies out and make some patties. Now, sometimes I'll add barbecue sauce and I may actually do that. I may put some barbecue sauce in here, you know that? And mix that up, and then I'll put this in a skillet. Hold on one second. I have my Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is honey barbecue. I'm just going to add a little bit, though. Just a little, just for some flavor. I'm going to be washing my hands a million times. I need some lotion for later. I've washed my hands so many times today just filming and cooking different meals. All right. That smells so good. And that is it. That's all I'm doing here. And then we're going to just pat these out and put them in the skillet, guys. Easy dinner. Just last minute. This is always a safe one for us, and it's always filling. And we always enjoy it. So let me go ahead and pat these out. Pretty nice size. I hope you're having a great day. What are you guys doing for, by the time you see this, never mind, I think it'll be in the past, but for Labor Day weekend. All right. And I'm going to pat this out, and I'm going to place this in the skillet over here. And I'll show you guys once I pat these out and add them to the skillet. Hopefully we'll have enough for today and tomorrow. And then we'll have, usually on Friday nights, we get takeout. So today is Wednesday, so I'm hoping we'll have some leftovers for tomorrow. But we'll see. Trying to fit all these in this skillet. I always choose the smallest skillet. I have Layla over there eating her dinner. You probably can hear her chomping down back there. She has her own little burger too for dinner with no seasoning. All right, I'm going to have one more here, but I'll pat this out and then wash my hands. This is easy peasy. Nothing at all to it, my friends. I'm going to allow these to cook for a few minutes on this side until golden brown, and then I'll flip them over. It's on medium-high heat, and it's been cooking for about 3 minutes on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and flip them. Let me put it this way. That looks good. It's brown. And you can always turn them back over if you want to cook them more. Looks good. Now I wanted to put my other one in. I know that I have that one other one. So I'm going to go ahead and place that in here. Add some more seasoning to the top. Squeeze that one on in. Okay. This one will be ready to turn over in another minute or so. But I've reduced the heat to medium, and I'm just going to allow these to cook. Because I still want some of these to cook, throughout the center of the meat patty. And then I'm just going to side the vegetables today. We are always eating broccoli. So I have this frozen bag of asparagus spears. So I think I'm going to just fix this. I may actually prepare these, add some olive oil to them, and place it in the oven. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. Change of plans. I'm going to just place this entire bag per the instructions in the microwave. I'm not going to puncture this at all, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. And this should be set. That's what we're going to do. I always cook it the difficult way. I'm going to make this easy tonight. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. These are perfect for a good hamburger on some white bread, for your hamburger bun, however you want to eat it. But we're eating it by itself with some asparagus and some mashed potatoes. Alright, I have placed my burger patties on a paper plate, and it's lined with a paper towel so the grease can drain. But don't these look amazing? They're so good, and that little bit of barbecue that I added really steps up the flavor. So this is dinner. Asparagus will be cooked shortly, and I'm going to whip up some quick instant mashed potatoes, and that's dinner, guys.